Hello friends, welcome to my channel Swaraj Bhati. Today we are going to learn a chess trick. So in this chess trick we are going to target the pawn of the opponent. The pawn is this by our queen and the bishop, so that we can do check and mate. So first we will do it with white. So as you know, first chance will be of white. We have to move this pawn front so that we can take our queen and bishop out. Then the opponent can block our way by using the bishop of our bishop. Means he will move this pawn forward so that we can't move this pawn. Then we have to confuse them. Actually our target is this pawn, but when we move this here, they'll think that we are targeting the rook, but actually we are targeting the pawn. So to save their rook, they'll move their pawn here so that we can't hit their pawn. Then we have to move the bishop here so that we can target this pawn. Then they have two cases to do. One is they can move their pawn here, or they can move this bishop here, so that we have to move our bishop from here. In any of the case, we have to just concentrate on our trick. So as our trick is done, we have targeted the pawn, so we have to do just check and mate. Now the king cannot hit our queen, because if they hit our queen, we can hit with our bishop. So as we have seen it with white, let us see it with black. So as you know, the white will take the first chance. Wait a minute. Yes, as you know, white will take the first chance. The white can move this to block our way of the bishop. It will do always like this to block our way of the bishop, because it is the main way of the bishop. So then, as you know, we will target the pawn, but this time not this pawn, because if we target here, our target is on queen. Then we have to target this pawn and not this pawn also. If we target this pawn, we have to keep many targets on it, as there is king, queen, this bishop and knight. So to take our queen and bishop out, we have to move this. Then it will be white chance. As I told you, if we block our bishop's way, remove this. Then we can confuse it by keeping our queen here. Actually our target is this, but we can confuse them by seeing to this rook, as the target can be also on the rook. So their one chance will be wasted, and they'll keep this pawn and they'll move this pawn. Actually our target is on this, but they are thinking that. So our next move will be this, as we are targeting on this. Then they have two cases. One, they can do this so that we remove our bishop, or this. In any of the case, as our target is there, we have to just keep it like this, and there will be a check and mate. The king can also not hit us. So if you like my video, please comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.